Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pickled Labanos. First, gather your ingredients: fresh Labanos, white vinegar, sugar, salt, and water. Ensure your pickling jars are clean and sterilized. This initial preparation is crucial for a safe and delicious batch. We'll start by preparing the Labanos itself, ensuring it's ready to absorb all those wonderful pickling flavors. Let's get started on this simple yet rewarding process. Next, thoroughly wash and peel your Labanos. Slice it into thin, uniform pieces, about 1/8 of an inch thick, for even pickling. Place the sliced Labanos in a bowl and generously sprinkle with salt. This step, called sweating, draws out excess water, ensuring your pickled Labanos remains wonderfully crisp. Let it sit for at least 30 minutes, then rinse well and pat dry. Now let's create the pickling brine. In a saucepan, combine 1 cup of white vinegar, 1 cup of water, half a cup of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of salt. Heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring constantly until the sugar and salt are fully dissolved. Taste the brine and adjust the sweetness or tanginess to your preference. This balanced flavor is key to delicious pickled Labanos. Finally, it's time to pickle. Tightly pack the rinsed and dried Labanos slices into your sterilized jars. Carefully pour the hot brine over the Labanos, ensuring all pieces are fully submerged. Tap the jars gently to release any air bubbles. Seal the jars tightly and allow them to cool to room temperature before refrigerating. For best flavor, let them chill for at least 24 hours before enjoying your homemade pickled Labanos.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.